Welcome to my channel. Today discuss about the some trends problem. So I start now. Trends problem. Trends problem. First we think this some formula. Trends problem start now. First we need trends means distance d distance. Second time. Third speed. Now start some tricks. First trick in y. First distance d ds. So we need the formula d equal to s cross t. Similarly, s equal to d divided by t and t equal to d divided by s. Another thing in the trends problem, three type of most be important of the formula. Another trends means relative speed. Another first second is first formula. Second formula relative speed. Relative speed means two type. One is same direction, another opposite direction. Relative means two trains moving on, let's first train and second train, T1 and T2, and they are moving the now in the same direction. ST means same direction, and they are traveling to the relative speed of their T1 x1 speed and x2 speed, and so the relative speed is same direction x1 minus x2. If the opposite direction would be equal to x1 plus x2. Now so this is the important, this is 1 and this is 2. So 2 in this method all formula, please clearly notify that every problems this formula we need. If they remember, so easily solve it. And another channel I have some problem topic you have problems discuss about. Thank you.